That is perfect. Okay. So, in terms of 314chan, I hate saying that phrase. I need to stop saying it. This year has been really nice for us. Um, this is probably the largest turnover that we've had, mainly due to the 4chan ads. I might actually have to pull up my analytics here, but I want to say this is like our best year with this rendition of Haruko that I actually whipped up. I mean, I know I am padding stats because solely because of the what's it called? Because of the ad, but it's always nice to get extra numbers, and it definitely did help our bottom line. We jumped up. Let's see. We usually average about like 110 or so. Sometimes we jump up a little bit more, but it's right around 110 visits depending on the day. After the ad, we jumped up to 174, which that is definitely a jump. I am kind of anticipating more people coming back to the site after everything is done and over with. The main issue that I always have, though, is I want those numbers to turn into posts. The one thing for me is I usually measure success on my website with the number of posts that happen each day. And if I see not a negative number, but a lower number than what I saw the previous day before that, or 2 previous days ago, I just feel like I'm not doing as much as I can to get my site out there. I definitely do want to become one of the best image boards that we have on the internet. It's going to take a long time for me to get everything up and running. But once we do get everything working and operating perfectly and actually somehow converting lurkers, who I'm not sure is actually I don't know how to describe it. I need to convert lurkers into actually posting on the website. I'm hoping that people kind of come around to posting on 314chan. Like, over the past few years, don't get me wrong, I have fucked up. The major fuck up that I've had is, I always say this, and I have no clue why I do. But whenever I want, whenever I move servers, I always have the worst habit of resetting the post numbers. The post numbers, even though it is minor, from what I've learned, it does affect how many people post on your site. I've had this website for, what is it now, 8-9 years. The main issue is I want to say my main issue is I want to keep everyone safe and secure, when I should be caring more about people actually posting. But this kind of comes back to, for me, I feel like that's a part of a part of my mom that's in me, basically, because she cares a lot about other people. So it definitely is. I feel like it's one of my character traits that's just deep buried inside of me somehow. But yeah. Might as well read a few of the questions. 132 Do you think I'm cool? Yes, Anon. You're probably Anon. Honestly, out of that's almost too sappy. um, anyone who posts on my website, I really do want to thank you. Um, like you give me life. I hate saying it like that, but just seeing someone actually posting on my website gives me hope that. Sorry, my chair is kind of shitty. It honestly gives me hope that more people do start using it just like you are. It just gives me hope. Um, so yeah, thank you. Any Anon or anyone who posts on my site, you're awesome. I hate how sappy that sounds, but you know. 133. Where do you see through in 4chan in the next few years? Kind of touched on this in like the intro. I really do want to see through in 4chan succeed. We've kind of held pretty steady, definitely over the past few years. I definitely want to see the site succeed more than like ever. Just the fact that people who came back from the 4chan ad, like seeing that in my analytics that are publicly available, by the way, at anally.matomo.cloud. Like it's such a good feeling to see that people revisit the website after, just to see what happens. Yes, of course we do have analytics. I did try to sweeten the pot by making it public analytics. Hopefully it actually does, help. Like hopefully that is good enough for everyone. Because I mean it doesn't show your IP, it doesn't do anything like that. I just want to get a feeling for what's actually on the site. Yeah, I mean, next 5 years, I definitely want to see the number that I have in the analytics at least double by like at least double is what I should say. Like just the fact that I was able to jump from 103 to 174 within like 2 days is a really nice bump. It's nice to see that people are at least going back to the site that was on the ad. Let me actually see, because I think I can actually check how people were acquired. I think that's it. Oh yeah, acquisition. All channels. See, I'm still trying to like get used to how that works. So yeah, if I look at the like stats that are on here, bid.glass, which is 4chan's self-serve ad platform, resulted in a bump of 197 people. The top number for websites is definitely still allchans.org. Like, huge shout out to them. I really want to thank them for all that they do for basically any alternative channel out there. I know the author, or like the person, did the site die? What? Or is this just my network? Because it could just be the network. Yeah, it looks like the site died. Cool. Let me I actually have a way to check that now. Where is it? I can actually do Amplify now. I think it's literally just amplify.nginx.com. The site request. The site's. Why am I getting hit by 400s? What? Memory usage got bumped. Okay, the site seems to be back up. That's weird. I don't know what's going on there. Now that I actually have these stats as well, through like Nginx's like thing, like this will help me as well. Like it's so tough to figure out what exactly is going on with the website when I literally just have like Nginx top and things like that. But now that I have Amplify, this should help me. Like, this should help me. I'll just say that. Is there anywhere else that I should promote this? I can't think of any other places. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, you can ask me in the thread. You can ask me in chat. Yeah, I'll answer anywhere. I'm not sure why the site died for a second there. It's weird. Like it was like 400 requests. Like it just. Weird. Yeah. Shoot. Hopefully that answers your question in terms of where 3 and 4chan is in the next few years. At least doubling the traffic. Definitely more posts per day. I can't think of a way that I can actually calculate posts per day right now. Like on like a graph. I don't think they have that analytic like feature. Like I can check out the post form and all that, but yeah, I don't think that's a thing. Post form. 64 submitters. There we go. Can I? Edit form. Can I just do like full domain? This form is converted when. See, these are some things that I definitely need to look into in terms of like analytics. I need to update a lot of these things. Form ID equals post form. Track interactions in this form for forms found on specific pages. Okay. See, that wasn't actually in the stats. That is really weird. These are some things that I just want to do like now. Upload file. Name field. Email / options. Subject. Embed. Password. These are a lot of mod things. Okay, there we go. Save. See, I have no clue what causes the unique drop offs in the comment field. Like that's the top drop off point for a lot of people. I don't even know what a drop off point is. Number of forum viewers that interacted with this field last when they did not submit the form. So feels like I need to do something with the comment field, right? That's what that means. It's nice to see that people are actually changing the passwords that were in the field. Just the fact that they don't use the default password like that's actually in there is really nice. I love seeing that. It's weird though that it doesn't. I need to look into this a lot more. Um, no one actually really uses the delete form ideally, because I just want more people posting. I don't think I can actually set goals. Send an event. I need to work on a lot of these things. If I want to use these statistics to gain more people and have them post, this is where my fireside chats do want to actually like get better. Like I want that user interaction. We only really have, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4 replies. I need to plan this out further ahead in the future. Oh, is it because of this? Maybe. No, of course not. Oh well, actually, yeah. Block audio. I'm sure when I reload it, it'll autoplay. What? Still doesn't autoplay. Very cool. That's definitely the one. Like, I need to improve on people posting. The funny thing is, I can't even think of a way to promote people posting unless I do something like unreasonable, like paying people to post on the site. That's such a idiotic idea that I'm never gonna do that. Let's see. Do you still need help out with the boards in one way or another? Yes. I would probably say the biggest thing that I need help out with is with developing. Like I say this all the time. I am basically a one-man band. Luckily, I do have MDH now, which helps out with at least the moderation. So now I can actually focus on, like, actually focusing on the site. Like, MDH, I know you're probably not online right now. It doesn't look like you are. Thank you so much. Like, I've been trying to look for a mod for who knows how long now. Just the fact that you like contacted me and like you want to be my mod, like that's so helpful of you. Like, thank you so much. I really appreciate you more than you know. Ever since you've joined my staff as a mod, I feel a lot less pressure in terms of my timer just connection error. Oh, the site died again. I just feel so much less I feel so much less pressure in terms of um, like worrying about the posts that are on the site. Um, that was definitely like my biggest concern in general. Um, Over the past few, like I think you've been here what, like a week or so now. I think I have a stats page for it. Yeah, I don't quite have everything exactly properly set up. Um, I'm using the stats page that I worked on for when 7-Eleven Chan was using Kusaba X. So it's still fucked up. um, like in general though, it gives me a good view on like the overall site. Um, it's still being worked on still, but site that I'm looking at right now is 314chan/stats.php. Unique users says that we have 279. Very nice. I for someone who for a site that keeps resetting, that's really nice. Like I appreciate, like I said before, I appreciate everyone who posts on my website, no matter what. Like no matter what your background is, thank you so much. Um, I hope that you guys continue posting, continue lurking. Thank you so much. I can't say much else. Just let me actually ping the Discord/Matrix chat. Streams up. I have to post these freaking announcements in general, unfortunately. But yeah. Oh my gosh. I know there's a lot of people that are offline, but hey, what can you do? What else? I know I am kind of talking to myself. That's fine. I don't really mind at all. Let's see. You can actually what in the world? Oh shit. Oops. That's cool. I can actually capture. I can basically capture clips. I stream on Twitch as well, but not under this alias. Let's see. Amplify. I just have so many fucking tabs open. There we go. So yeah, I mean, I do need PHP devs. I need JavaScript devs. I still have a shit ton of bounties that haven't been claimed like at all. So if you know JavaScript, or if you know, well, I'm actually working on the CSS. Pee pee poo poo. How's it going to install Gentoo? Hopefully you're having a good day. Kind of just talking about shit. If you have any questions about the site, let me know. I'm always available. Smile. Let's see. Did I actually have any other bounties on here? Yeah, you said pee pee poo poo. I know. Thanks for noticing me. Yeah, no problem. I don't mind. I always try to notice everyone. Like like I said, I hate being sappy, but that's how do I do the Google? What? What do you mean the Google? You can always Google throughand4chan.co/throughand4. No. But yeah, I mean, I really do appreciate anyone. How do I Google? You go to google.com and type in the field. But I actually recommend DuckDuckGo. I like it more. What's it called? Oh, that's actually another thing. Um, DuckDuckGo and Google seems to work. It shows some weird dinosaur. Oh, then you're offline then. What? Why can't you Google? I mean, you're in chat, so you might be probably blocking. Why is everything in Chinese? Oh, you're probably connected to your VPN then, or something. I don't know. Wait, what? Like I know I do. I looked at my stats recently, and there is a pretty large percentage of people that are from China. Like ironically, am I Chinese? No. I'm actually. You can look around. I'm not even sure if my docs are out there anymore, but they used to be out there at least. Um, I'll just say I'm an American. Live in America. Born in America. Let's see. No, I'm not. If I did, I would have a different accent than what I have. I'm actually half white. I'll just say that. Let me minimize OBS. That might help. I would definitely be talking with a different accent. No, I'm not. No, no, no. I'd be talking a little bit different. I will definitely say that I am a image board admin that you wouldn't expect, like a nationality that you wouldn't expect would run an image board because of everything. Um, but you can see through my window. Oh, my window's closed, so. Oh shit, that actually reminds me. I need to disable the snow that's on the site. No. No, not that. Forgot what I called it. Let me just search for snow. Maybe that. Oh god, that is a lot of code. I think I might have been. No. No, not that. Nice try though, Smell. God, I want to say that it's the right size, but it's not. Let me subtract and see if it loads up in frame. By the way, how's the audio? Yeah. Oh, I did just put it in a different container. No. Not really anywhere in that region. I'll just say that. I will actually save this for future time though. Like this. Boom. This should help out with loading time. A little quiet. Okay. I'll update. Not update. Jesus Christ. I'll turn myself up a little bit. Like that should be better. I forgot which way it was. There we go. Let's do 12 dB. Hopefully that's good. No, like I said, it's not really in that region. Like I mean, the stuff is out there for sure. Shit, I'm looking at one of the banners right now, and I'm in it. Like I can physically see my face in one of the banners. I forgot that I put that in the banner a while ago. What's it called? No, I'm not Chinese at all. Good try, but no. God, I wish I could play music. Let's see. Might as well get back to some of the questions on the site. So let me just rephrase that. So yeah, I do need help in terms of coding. Hopefully post rates double by next year. I see at least hopefully double like people visiting. Tomorrow theme's broken, is it? Well, I mean, it loads the theme. The issue is I actually have this fix on my laptop. I'll just fix that right now. The theme loads it, but it doesn't save the theme. I'm not sure why it doesn't. Like, I'm not sure why the code fucked. Like, I'm not sure why it fucked up, but yeah, it doesn't save the theme is the issue. Let me open up my laptop and get everything set up there. Some hover stuff is still Yotsuba. Yeah, like the theming is definitely an issue for sure. I might as well just fix that now though. Atom. Oops. Why is that not? CD. What? Oh yeah, definitely the top. Wait, what? Top navigation bar is Yotsuba default on hover. Oh yeah. That's just because I didn't define a different hover color because the way that my top bar works is a bit different than a lot of other sites. Like, I need to change that color for sure, but let me work on the. Let me work on the like keeping the theme correct. Then I can kind of work on like things like minor details. Oh, it's because CD var triple W, HTML, Atom. Yo. No, I'm not. Trust me. I would know if I was Chinese or not. I do like Chinese food, but I'm not Chinese. I'm a fucking weeaboo, but I'm not Chinese. Let's see. Okay, yeah, then I'm Chinese. Horizontally, vertically. There we go. Open up Git. And see, I don't need any of the changes in HTML. I think the main issue. Oh shit. Yeah, I admit it. Sure. Hopefully I'm very convincing in terms of that. Like I'm not Chinese, but sure. CD var triple W like that. Get status. Should be clean. Oh god, I'm not clean. Oh god, I did it again. But yeah, no, I'm actually not Chinese though. CSS. Style.css. Did I shit myself again? No, I hope not. Don't think I've ever really shat myself since like I was a kid. Luckily, thank God. Like, yeah, I think the last time I shat myself was when I was a child. So, luckily, no. I didn't know what. That I shat myself? No, no, I'm not 12. Of course not. Haven't been 12 in like a long time. I'll just say that. I'm 25. Let me try to load up my local version of Haruko so I can move all the fucking mistakes over so that when I push it, it'll be correct. Yeah, I'm 25 years old. And before you say it, no, I'm not actually 12. I'm 25. I had a vertical. Yeah, I know. I had a vertical license plate for an extra 4 years. Like, I know my voice is a little bit higher than some people's voices. I don't really care. But, you know, it's cool. Yeah, I'm 25. I'm not Chinese. No matter what you say, I'm not Chinese. server's on. Good. CD. Haruko. Chinese cope. Sure. Not get, Adam. Oh god, this is gonna crash like 20 times. Oh, yeah, I just noticed I have a copyright claim on my other State of the Chan. That's neat. Can I, what's it called? Oh, actually, this, I never noticed that that my State of the Chan actually details when, like, how my, wow, I can't talk. It actually details when I did the 8chan ad, too. I completely forgot about that. It's nice. Can I, like... I don't want to, like, listen to it. I just want to... Okay, well, I don't really feel like working on that right now. Let's see. Can't really think of anything else, like, unless I start working on the site. So, if anyone does have any questions, oh wait, I actually didn't clean out the cache yet. Besides, whether I'm Chinese or not, it's great. Rebuild. Let me get rid of the snow really quick. Alright, you have a question. Go ahead. No, I'm not Chinese. But yeah, definitely feel free to ask me the question. When are you going to remove the page that shows when you make a thread? I kind of don't want to remove that because it gives you feedback that you created a thread. I'm still trying to kind of debate that because on other image boards, I think it literally just sends you like a blank page or like immediately redirects you, right? And on sites like 4chan, well, 4chan and I have one thing in common in terms of that. We both run PHP. So I think the way that PHP requests are done, from what I know, is like you have to wait. The thing has to redirect before it actually posts. So I'll look into it. I can't think of a way that I can actually fix that though. Like, you can replace it with a little pop-up at the bottom of the page that disappears in a few seconds. Again, that's something that I would have to kind of prototype out for sure. Because like I said with PHP, you have to redirect to a different page. And like I kind of see what you're thinking about. Like I know on sites like 4chan and things like that, it does it that way, or at least make the page stylized and look good. Yeah, that's definitely something that I could definitely do Like, even if it is like a 1 second thing that you look at, add some Chinese characters or something. Oh, that might be good. um, yeah, I can definitely style that page. It is lower on that. That would probably be lower on the totem pole in terms of features, though. Main things that I definitely need to fix, though, would be like it. I would definitely say I need to focus on caching. Like whenever you make if you like reply, you made a thread. Nice, thank you. Yeah, you're definitely feel like you're cool to me. Yeah, you're definitely rich and famous. Rich in mind. Very cool. Thank you so much. Yeah, I can work on the styling. Attention, the owner of this site is Chinese. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Rich in mind and in money, yes. Hopefully this is actually a pretty good time for people to actually join chat. Like it, I always have this thing where I always want to start at 314, 314. Just because, that number actually unironically surrounds me. A few years back, what's it called? I went to Burger King. The total came out legitimately to $3.14 even. I have no clue why, but just the 314 just surrounds me. I'll just say that. Let's see. I'm Chinese. No. No, I am not. Thank you for asking, though, Smile. I wonder who that could have been. Yeah. Can't possibly think of anyone. Is that my PP size? No. I don't think so. I haven't actually measured. But, got connection error when uploading. Or updating. Yeah. Like I said, the updating thread is probably my major priority today. Or, like, the next few days. Definitely fixing those things. If you look at what's it called? If you look at the code that my site is based off of, if you look at their scripts, apparently spamming the update button doesn't work, right? Oh man, that is so unfortunate. It's almost like I have I actually have something called the same friend detector. So if you spam the button, it kind of pushes you to the back of the cache. Yeah, that's something that I kind of took from the site. This is the site that the code is based off of. I took it from them. No remorse at all. But oh yeah, talking about that. They overcame the thread updating by doing it completely different. It's all local before you ask. Like they just pushed it. You might have ran an auto clicker running at 300 clicks per second. Oh no. I mean, I'm looking at the stats now. It seems like the site's taking it. I don't mind. Like, no connections have dropped, which is good. I'm proud of that so far, at least. Just do it using JavaScript. Yeah. Yeah, like, usually just doing it through JavaScript is the best way. Even though people without JavaScript won't be able to use it at all, I really wish there was a way that I can do that, like, properly. Yeah. It legitimately, it won't crash it, I don't think. I know I'm probably gonna regret saying that, and it just crashes for no reason. If an auto clicker crashed the site, that would be pretty sad. Yeah. I mean, it's literally what the update button does is it pulls the what's it called? It pulls the people without JavaScript, I know. It pulls our our JSON file for that thread, and basically, if it detects that there was a change, it puts a new post panel down, and then it does it that way. I need to actually take a piss. Fuck. I will be like legitimately right back. God damn it. I don't even have any fucking music for you. Let me actually, I might be able to queue up a good old YouTube poop that you can like listen to. It literally will not take like more than probably 10-15 seconds. Let's see. How can I do this? Oh shit, I can't. God damn it. Actually, hang on. Let me try something. Browser. But yeah, like that's definitely another experience that I need to improve for sure. Like a lot of these things I need to improve what's it called? Just the all around control audio. Like the all around experience for non JavaScript users. Okay, there we go. Give me 1 second. Hopefully that preview is okay. Might stick you with an ad, I'm sorry if it does. Properties. Oh god, that is loud, I'm sorry. It didn't give me the option to actually click on it until, like, just then. This might actually crash the stream. Honestly, JavaScript is a vital part of the internet. Yeah. Holy shit, that is a lot of shit. Okay, that's cool. I'll be right back. There are very few who go without it. Yeah, I mean, it definitely, I get why it's a lot of privacy issues. I use as minimal JavaScript as I can, like in general. Like I'm sure there is a percentage of people who do use the site without JavaScript. And of course my JavaScript analytics aren't catching them. But that's probably a very small number of people. It's probably like 1-2% maybe. I'll be right back. 1 sec. cramped up. It all relies on the owner of the site. I mean, with that, I make sure that the site is still usable without JavaScript. There was an issue back then where the images didn't load with for people without JavaScript because it like pulled the like it initially it didn't load the images until you scrolled within view of it, and then it would load the image through JavaScript and it would like replace it. But with people without JavaScript, it wouldn't work. Oh God, I just closed you. Where is it? I know it's open. I just forgot where. Let me just show chat. I think that works. Let me just pop it out from here. There we go. What's it called? But yeah, like it definitely is reliant on who's the person in the bottom left. I forgot. Oh, that is literally a stock image of a person who's sleeping. That's not me. Like, actually not me. It's literally just a random stock image that I have just laying around on my computer. Downloads. Like, let me pull up the actual image. There we go. Like, I needed something to represent Comfy, like the board/comf. So I literally just went onto a free and public domain stock image website, looked up sleeping. That was the one that was there. Like, I just needed something for the 4chan ad, basically. So I just slapped their face on it. I put it there because looks dead, yeah. I mean, when you're sleeping, you basically are dead for a while. Dude is dead, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Feels like I'm missing something. Like I'm looking at my stats, and it feels like I'm just missing something. Is that the stream? God, this would be ironic. Okay, yeah, it is the stream. Okay. Oh shit, that's what I was doing. So yeah, I'm porting over features from the server to my local copy so that when I push the local copy to the server, I won't lose any changes. Is what I'm doing. Okay. I almost forgot. I'm not going to share this portion of it. Once I start local coding, I definitely will. But I don't want to leak the IP of the server. You should try to build more community. I mean, that's what I've been trying to do. It's really tough to push people to post on the site. Like I always suck at converting viewers, not viewers. I always suck at converting lurkers to posters. That's always where my I always suck at that. If you have any ideas on how to do that, though, like definitely give me your ideas, because anything will help me. I've been doing this for 8-9 years, and Still have no clue how to convert people. It's always rough. Let's see. I actually just noticed I have a. Oh, that's just me. Okay. Yeah, cause I'm I'm running behind a proxy service for the server, or the server's running behind a proxy service. Yeah, I just don't want to give that IP away because the person who owns it trusts me with not leaking it at all. CSS style.css, right? Yeah. Nowadays, you can't really trust people with the IP address of things, just because, people. Yeah. Yeah. What's the change that I made initially? Okay, well, I'm just gonna do that. There we go. Like, I'm sure if you crawl, it'll definitely, like, eventually come up with a solution. It's a band-aid, but it works. Luckily, I haven't really ran into any issues with that. I changed the front page again. What's the change here? Shit. That's always my worry, that I changed the front page on both instances, and now I need to figure out. Alright, I'm waiting. You're confused. What? I want to say there's more changes locally then. Yeah. Oh, does it? Oops. Well. Hey, that's weird. I actually never noticed that. Strange. Wonder what that could be. How far back is that? What the fuck? Yeah, we've had a few domains for sure. Like, a lot of domains. A lot of domains. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna do that. I think I can do that one. Yeah. Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah. 7-Eleven. Wait, really? Oh, yeah. Like, I've had it. I've had the domain for a long time. It's just so funny to look at the from a server in Malaysia. I can't even remember. That might be what year? 2011. Oh, that was shoot, I forgot his name. There was someone who was offering to run my servers for free um, beforehand. That was his server. Um, God, that's so. But yeah, that was a bit ago. What video do the 314 staff play? Thank you for the question. I'm not sure why it says 7. I'm pretty sure it's 138. I think it is. Let's see. Well, I normally play things like, yeah, 138. Thank you. I normally play things like, I hate saying it, but Overwatch, things like that. Um, I want to say Overwatch was what I was addicted to for a while. Um, I really want to play Cyberpunk. I'm hoping that my rig comes in soon. Um, I just want to play games again. In fact, I'm actually going to check on check on my email, see if they nope they didn't. Damn. I hope that they actually do get to my PC soon. I want to get my PC in as soon as possible. Sorry, I gotta text my mom really quick. Um, but yeah, I definitely want to get back into gaming. That's like important. How's it going, S? Why not build the PC yourself? I did it beforehand, um, and I don't want to do it again. It's a lot cheaper, yeah. My dad offered to pay for the rig, so why not just take it? Like I know that it would be cheaper. Um, it's a little bit easier though in the long run to just you know to just buy it from a place. Ideally, yes, I would, but no. I will. I'll say this: I will eventually come back and build another one, just not now. Yeah. Hopefully, you're having a good day. By the way, S. Oh boy. I mean, luckily the rig is going to be really nice when I do actually get it in. Chinese PC, totally, yeah, yeah. No, I bought it from iBuyPower. Um, Funny thing about that, I was waiting on the Linus video, basically saying which one would be better because I'm too lazy to do the research myself. um, but I was waiting for the video, but he was taking literally forever. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm definitely having a good one. Just kind of discussing some things from the site, analytics and stuff, all the fun stuff. Trying to tell again too that I'm not Chinese, the usual. I honestly should do a lot more of these Q&As. It helps, like seeing people that actually use the site, even if people just lurk. It's nice to just see people in general, especially right now. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions at all. Answered the video question. No, I'm not Chinese. God damn it. I'm not Chinese. Like I said, like I told again too. My face is literally on one of the banners. I'm not gonna say which one. But my face is literally in Oh shit. Wait, what? What? I'm confused. Hang on. Oh god, I fucked it up. I made the. Oh shit. I made the directory slash banners a board instead of yeah. I mean, I've had that banner um for literally years. So I mean, no one's really noticed it. Fortunately enough, but my docs have already been out there. It's just so funny. Um, it's definitely there though. Like I've been doxxed like so many years ago. What is this email? Oh, it's reminding me that the issue is due soon. Oops, that's fine. What am I gonna do? Fire myself? Um, God. Okay. Anyway, what's it called? I'll get there eventually. What for? Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about the docs. Um, a few years ago, I was a dumb kid. I forget what year it was. Um, I was a dumb kid, and back when 4chan.net existed, was Save the Internet or STI, or I always forget what people like calling him. He had this terrible habit of, you know, doxing people. And STI, as much as people want to say that they weren't coexisting by on the same exact server, I know they were that they were both owned by the same person. Um, him and Leet Chan, uh, they don't exist either. Um, they figured out, oh, hey, might as well dox this guy. I forgot why exactly I was doxed. Um, but, you know, it's whatever. I honestly don't really care. I didn't get any phone calls at all out of it, so. Like, it's out there, but, you know, whatever. I don't care. I was about to say, for the what for? Did you mean like the, what's it called? Like why the issue was happening? Yeah. It was a crazy time back then. I'll just say that. Let's see. Oh shit! Sorry, I keep forgetting that I'm working on this one thing and I don't actually finish it. I need to compare the local version of this and docs for being Chinese. Oh yeah, totally. Yeah. Um, I don't think that Atom has a diff tool. Online diff tool. That makes it easy. Ideally. Yeah, yeah. I admit it. Text compare? So this one, this is going to be the server copy. And I'll open up ink, front page, power go. Like that. Hit compare. so far, I want to say I want to keep the local copy that I have. Yeah. Yeah. It's fine if I lose a little bit of work. Because I don't think besides from that. Let me just make sure. I don't want to like lose work, you know. Oh, that's what I changed. That's what I changed. I added a few extra things, like the meta color. I don't know why I changed things on the server. Like, I can't even explain it. Can I change it like here? Yeah. Shit. Oh shit. Okay, that's why. Sorry. These things I have to like make sure it's not in the video like whatsoever. Love to show you my fun and exciting side, like the fun and exciting side of this, but whew, wow, yeah, fun. And again, I'd love to play music, but I don't want to get fucked by Google at all. And with the current state of what DMCA is, I legitimately cannot do anything about it. Like that. And I will add this to this. Gotta make sure to add the oh god, I hope this doesn't like fuck with anything. I'll just do that. I honestly like doing these fireside chats though. It's legitimately fun for me. It just, I always like, it just always feels like I just never know what to say exactly. I always expect that people would like carry the conversation for me, but no, no. Let's see. Oh, by the way, yes, if you're still here, let me know what you want for me to fix exactly, and I can probably work on it today. I've been, what's it called? I've been kind of working on some features, kind of on every single copy that I have of Haruko, like trying to patch things up as quickly as I can, because if I don't patch it within like the few days that I've had that I had the 4chan ad out, I always worry about people not coming back to the site. You know, little bit of panic, but that's fine. Oh my gosh, it's actually hot in the house, so we go. Looks like it loaded up. Let me actually do something here. Let me do does not equal, just so I can test it. Go back. Oh shit, wait. Wait, what? Oh, okay, yeah, I'm good. I don't know why I always get confused with that. Basically, what I've been kind of working on for the past few days is making sure that if someone wants to use Haruko on their image board, it doesn't have all my shit on it. So like mainly kind of decoloring a lot of these things, making it kind of a more generic theme. I made sure to erase some of the links that I use on 3 and 4chan, like to actually, you know, like have everything function properly. Don't think I added anything else here. I can't tell whether the board container is better. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna... I should honestly just save a copy of it just in case. Just so I don't really lose anything specifically. Let's see, how can I do this? New file, paste, save. I legitimately hate Mac OS 10. This is like so shitty. Does your software have any sort of built-in analytics? The only analytics that I actually have is through our analytics website, which is ANAL. Shit. Shit. Hang on. Let me pull up the link. Yeah, I know. It's actually painful to use this, especially after having Windows 10 Pro for I don't even know how long, like 4 or 5 years. Oh, and there goes the the heater. Let me know if I need to turn the volume up. It's actually painful. But the analytics that I have on the site is through oh god, that doesn't actually post the link. Whatever. Oh, there we go. That's the main source of analytics. I'm working on a stats page that used to exist when I ran 711chan. That one I'm still kind of working on. Like, I'm working on making sure that it's actually daily stats. But yeah, Matomo is actually really nice. You can opt out and shit like that, which is nice. 16 uses it? Do they? If they did, then they got it from me. Cause yeah, do they use it? It's nice to. It's nice that at least people are taking some keys for me. Dynamic analytics. Hang on, I'm actually curious now. They did. Oh. See, I'm not sure what dynamic analytics is, though. Interesting. Talked to 663 a while ago, and he mentioned something about it. Oh, well. It's probably pretty accurate then. God, I need... That's something that I need to work on, too. Like, just looking at their website, I need to make sure that the daily... Like, not the daily... the mobile app, as much as I hate, like, even thinking about it, the mobile app is something that, or mobile app support is something that I need to work on too. I actually envy a lot of these other image boards for sure. It's just, since I'm using my own custom software, I have to code this all by myself. Like, God. Yeah, no one uses it. I mean, if you look at my stats, there are people who lurk the site on mobile. It would be nice to actually have people use, like, not use, but, you know, like, posting to the site. Like, I know I shouldn't, I should take every single post as, like, something charitable, that someone can get Links Chan working with Clover. That'd be amazing. Yeah. Let me actually pull up the stats here. Visitors, devices. Like, it's still a pretty overwhelming 48% with a desktop computer. But, you know, it's, for mobile at least here, 12.5% iPhones, 7.3% generic, iPads are 1.7, Pixel 4 XL is literally just me. 0.6, like, it does add up over a percentage, but like I always say with any of my features, it's gonna be a back burner because, like, there's just so many things that I have to fix on the front end, and also things that I want to implement that are standard on other image boards that I need to fix myself. Like, I will eventually. It's just back burner. Let's see. Site doesn't look bad on mobile. Thank you. It's like a few minor things, I know, like, it doesn't resize optimally. It's definitely improved. Vanilla, what's the site based off of? Like, like, before I took over, the site didn't operate as well. Yeah. Makes it longer than it needs to be. I just need to make sure that everything fits in a view frame is the main thing. Mitsuba, there we go. Mitsuba, it was legitimately trash on mobile sometimes. Like, when I first launched through In4chan again with, like, the initial code base, it was just garbage. Over the past few years, I've made it a lot better for everyone. Ironically, I made the post form a lot more accessible for people. That was, like, the most recent push that I've done. Why do I have ads on the site? I do get a little bit of ad revenue. I actually was able to use the money from my ads for the past few months to purchase, what's it called? keyword is over the past few months. Um, yeah, I mean, I've been trying to fix that issue for a while now myself. Like I would definitely that's the one key thing that I always think about because yes, ads do drive away people, especially from like posting. Um, I see it in my stats. There's not really a good way to do it. Like I could make it opt in maybe to view ads, but then that would definitely drive everything down and not make anything work at all. And since I don't have a job at the moment, that does make it extremely difficult for me. Um, like I do you I do mainly rely on what's it called? I do rely on things like that. Like maybe I could make it opt out, maybe with like a thing underneath it, maybe um, that like adds a not a cookie. I hate using cookies. Um, fucking what's it called? I always forget the name. Like I could add like a local storage thing maybe that opts you out of the ads maybe. I'm just trying to make the experience as nice as possible without like me losing money. Get a job, yeah. I mean, like I have a job lined up. It's just I'm waiting on a lot of shit from it, and it's not something that I would want to work one wagey shift a week. Ironically, it's not the hosting anymore. Adili is actually helping me out with hosting. Like maybe my ideal like thing is me streaming on my like main Twitch account would help me grow, but that's again that's kind of a pipe dream. I want to code for a life, but yeah, like it's tough getting that all set up. I'll get there eventually. Yeah. It's actually now, ironically, it's the domain that I'm worried about. It's January next month, and .org's domain expires. Well, it's set to expire in March, of course, March 14th, um, or March 15th, kind of depending on where you are. Become a VTuber. Ironically, yes. um, I yeah, I'll just say yes. It does definitely help. I'll say that. I've been trying to like decide between actually swapping over to YouTube, but I want to stay on Twitch because that's where all the people are for streaming, mostly. Um, it's definitely a dream of mine to eventually not work a normal 9 to 5 job. It's surprisingly easy to do, to be honest. Oh, you mean like becoming a VTuber? Oh yeah, that's for sure. It's just making things like getting things to grow and actually have people view your stream and all that. Which, yeah, it's definitely something I need to work on. Why is God? YouTube sometimes is just so weird. I might just have to refresh, maybe. There we go. Like it's a long-term goal of mine to stream as like a main daily job. Get off of there, work on through in 4chan, go to sleep, wake up, stream again, do it that way. That is Omega long term, but you know, yeah, it's definitely a long work in progress. What time is it? Holy crap, it's 5. Yeah, that's fine. my mod should be waking up pretty soon. Not that I keep track of when he wakes up and not, you know. Okay, there we go. Let's see what else. I actually might want to keep a notepad of the stuff that people bring up, right? That might be good. What was I gonna do? It's 8. Get your time zones right. You know. Yeah. Yeah. How can I be so dumb? That's honestly one of my favorite things on streams. Like, I'll usually say, "Oh, it's this time," and then someone says, "Oh, it's actually this." That's my favorite meme, and that actually stretches everywhere. What's it called? Oh shit! I keep forgetting I'm doing something. Fuck. I think I have key. I'm just gonna do it on my phone. Fuck it. Luckily, I can just quickly pull up Google Keep and do it that way. This ideas for 4chan 2021. Checkboxes. I'll do it that way. So, what were you saying? Opt out. Would it be better? I'll do opt out of ads via JavaScript. People can you still use what's it called, right? Local storage. I'm pretty sure, right? JavaScript local. How can set local storage? No JavaScript. Being able to do that would be ideal, but I don't think there's a way for me to actually do it. See, if there was an easy way for me to set local storage on a separate page. Can I set local storage through PHP maybe? PHP. Loading local storage. I want to set local storage though. You cannot access local storage via PHP. Damn. Maybe a cookie. That's the only way that I can think. I think you can set cookies. Set cookie. I'll look this up later. Opt out of ads. Question mark. Okay, there we go. Added that as a list item. Let me actually pin this. Pin. Unpin this. Unpin this. There we go. So yeah, I'll look into opting out for sure. I know they can be pretty annoying. Oops, that's the wrong page. go. Hey, I mean, I'm looking at the, and I guess that is another kind of point of analytics that I have. I have Nginx Amplify enabled. I literally just enabled it today. I mean, it's actually really nice. That's probably the best way to just, it's nice. I'm not sure what caused the number of version requests up. I'm not sure what causes that. You should just make through in 4chan the next Reddit. No. I legitimately hate the the aspect of Reddit. Threaded replies are not cool. I just hate threaded replies. And the way that 4chan is going in general, it seems like it's kind of trying to not market, it's trying to put itself out as an alternative to Reddit. Yeah. Like, I mean, hey, as an April Fool's, I might do like a let it mode where I add like a fake upvote and downvote and things like that. But that, again, that would take coding time out of what I want to actually do with the site. Once the site is actually stable and I can actually fuck around with extra shit, then definitely I'll like make like meme things. Not meme, but you know what I mean. 4chan is mainstream social media. Yeah, it's Reddit but edgy. Basically, it's edgy Reddit, and yeah, like at its core, image boards are nice. It's just once it reaches a critical point, it stagnates a little bit. And I just want to return back to where image boards used to be without it being too out of date, Like I want to update the site so that it's actually like newer but not too new. It's Reddit but with more traps. Yes. That is a very good way to put it. A very good way to put that. I'm just kind of thinking back on that. Let's see. Oh, shit. Okay. Those days are gone, yeah. I mean, definitely from 4chan. Always want to try to bring that shit back, but I know it's not really coming back. Ink Webm. Oh. Image boards are a small niche. That is, yeah. The old, yeah. I always just keep going. I hate how much I always reference back to Chris or Moot, where like image boards have always been kind of a small thing that has kind of picked up over the years, but like just the fact that it's an older style of website where you go to a site, you type details out, you hit post, the server processes it, and then it regenerates the pages that are attached to it. That style of website is old, like really old school. It's a bulletin board, basically. Like the internet has definitely changed a lot, especially over the past few years. Like I always want to try to bring it back, but I know it's not really coming back. Let me save that there. Front page.php. Go like that. close that. Slightly newer bulletin board system. Yeah, that's basically it. I think after image board like style websites would probably be something like, I hate saying it. It's like Reddit, where it's a lot more cleaner looking. Um, the only issue with Reddit for me is the upvote downvote. I legitimately hate that, and that of course it's attached to a username. Like, just the fact that you have to put in a username is the thing for me. I had my, I think I legitimately I called the project through and for Reddit, uh, where I was JS Chan um, when I was working on through and for Reddit. Very unique name, by the way. Don't steal it. It was like a weird combination of the two, where the epic upvote, yeah, basically, um, where you had the same idea of what Reddit initially looked like, where you had the upvote downvote, you had the name, you had like all the original like look, like the layout of it, but you didn't have to enter in a name. That was an interesting idea that I had. Of course, it failed miserably. I have the code. It's shitty, and it's not going to be completed ever because I'm too lazy to finish things like that. Thank you. Yeah. Honestly, I should have bought through and for Reddit just for the memes. Even though the memes would probably turn into their lawyers contacting me and being like, take this shit down. Let me close out of that. Ink. WebM. I think I'm literally just gonna copy and paste the code. Oh no, I just noticed that I changed the JavaScript around on the server. I don't know why I do these changes server side. It's not a good idea at all. Like, at all. There we go. I'll just go like that. Okay. Close out of that. Oh god, here we go. I don't actually know. I don't think I changed the JavaScript around. JS. Make a 4chan pass ripoff. I would legitimately love to do that, but like you kind of said, since I have such low traffic, it would be not profitable. Like, I have a 4chan pass-esque thing that I was thinking about working on, where basically you either, it's kind of like a combination of Odili's thing and things, where basically, let me see if I can, like, I would leverage my subscribe star that I have for the site, which, hang on, let me pull it up just to make sure. I don't think no one's like actually done anything with it. I know if I open like a Patreon for through and 4chan, they would shut it down eventually. Past history has taught me this from when Fred, did the thing. Making OnlyFans. I almost have a really bad pun that I want to say there. Like, I was gonna say it's a only chan or only chance. There we go. Wait. Oh shit. Okay. Oh god. I can make the if people actually do use the subscribe star. Shit. I might as well just link it. Fuck it. What am I gonna do? Not sell out? if people do sub to the subscribe star, I can, no such thing as a bad pun. True. I can make the you stand corrected. I can make the board name Only Chans and just post shit on there. That would actually be pretty good. What do you think about the price, by the way? Should I set that lower? Like, $4.99 would be nice, like with a lot of people, but like the rate seems too high, you know? Quite a delay, yeah. I know. Like I said, I'm running off of a Mac, so it's kind of shitty, but it's fine. It feels like it kind of feels like what's it called? Kind of feels like old Twitch in terms of what's it called? In terms of delay. Can I forgot what Twitter I'm signed into. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Connect. Oh god, I don't have the thing. There we go. Okay. Do you think that the rate is good? The $4.99? Cause yeah, I need to get that fixed. Let's see. Manage boards. Oh, I can actually do discounts. That's neat. Sub is what I was gonna do it. Call it. Let me actually get this set up. Only Chans. Why am I using some ancient software as a base for Haruko? No clue. I honestly do not remember why I did that. Honestly, I think I saw that Mitsuba was a really cool software at one point, and excuse me. Mitsuba was a really cool software at one point for me, so I just determined, oh hey, I might as well take over this, and it was. I think it was also licensing too. I wanted to make sure that it was pretty free, like in terms of like freedom to do whatever I wanted without needing to attribute anything, even though I still have the code base online for everyone. I just wanted to make sure that everything was. Actually, can I? Now that I think about it, I might be able to change that. I basically just wanted to make things really easy for myself in the long run. So I chose something that was. Oh, I can't change it while. Shit. This is actually the normal latency for YouTube, apparently. I'll set it lower for next time. Let's see, I forgot what the difference was between hidden and unlisted. Yeah. I'll just do both and see what happens. What's the worst that can happen, right? Let's go here. Let's see. Forgot what happens if I can actually share this part, I think. Where's OBS? Let me do a new scene here really quick. Let's see. I'll just do display source. Actually, no, window source is probably better. Just like that. Let's do... Where is it? There we go. Since I don't really have my IP up here, I forget what happens if I if I make a post here. I'm gonna make sure that it's hidden after after this. Desktop. Let me just use Watson, I guess. Using a Mac is actually painful. Test. Cap code. I should delete System32. Yeah, let me go ahead and get to that. I'm not sure where this directory creates. Like, I've never even thought about what happens when you make a board like this. Like, oh, okay. That's actually really nice. That's a good way to do it. So basically what happens is the JSON files still create, but that's a good way to do it. Like the files for the thread still creates, but the actual like images are the only thing that are actually stored besides from the thread for some reason. The 1 underscore. Yeah. What does this JSON file look like? Boy, it sure is nice. Oh, so the JSON file is still parsed. That's fine. I don't really care. Like, that's something I can work on later, if anything. But, like, I can make a... That's cool. I can make it basically only operate within a certain, like, parameter, basically. So I can make another staff, like, what's it called? I can make another staff level, basically, and do it that way. That would be neat. It's a good way to do that. I would have to make sure that the IPs don't show or anything like that. But then that would give me the capability of like giving them a special cap code and things like that. That's definitely something I need to work on as well. Let me actually remove this. And I'm actually also going to just do like this. By the way, how was navigating to the stream? Was it okay? Like, was it too painful? Because I was trying to make it autoplay, but autoplay is just so weird nowadays that find decent servers and chill. God, you clicked the link. Okay. Okay, well that works. I legitimately hate shilling for my own website, like on other sites. I know it is kind of the only way to do it nowadays, but I legitimately hate things like that. You lost 6 ounces of blood in the process. Sounds about right. Let me actually show you. Don't think I'm gonna leak anything, right? No. That. So I'm basically just gonna take a thumbnail here, or not a thumbnail, but an image. Take a screenshot. Yeah, like I don't know how to put it. It's I just hate the current thing for image boards like that. Like it's just weird to me. Boy, my expertly written JavaScript, by the way, I mean not JavaScript, my expertly written CSS at work there. What if I just go to page 1? Okay, that's what. Take a screenshot, save visible. Let me just download it. There we go. Let's see, what variables would I want to set for that? That now that I think about it, is kind of a good pun. I like it now. Just thinking about calling it only Chans would be nice. Like hilarious, not hilarious, you know. You know what I mean. Downloads. Sort by date added. Oh, it's right there. I'm legitimately blind. Thinking about making a subscribe star board. Member board. I didn't even need that bottom part. something kind of like that. Of course, after this, I'm probably going to delete the board and re-add it once I actually get things set up. How much would people pay for supporter cap code? Access to a lounge. I don't have the thing up, do I? No, okay. I was like, wait. Like, I would definitely be willing to let people shill for me. I hate saying it like that, but I want to let people shill for me instead of me doing it all the time. I did it, basically, the peak of that is the 4chan ad. That was like the peak of me shilling. I want to do it differently. I don't want to pay $20 every time I want to shill and actually get people posting. But you know, access to an exclusive, you know, you get me. Access to an exclusive lounge, etc., etc. Actually, and more later. Well, hashtag poll below. Build a community. Just simply build a community. It's easy. I've been trying to cultivate people to post more, but it's the 99 1 some odd percent rule, or 99 1 rule in play. Like, anyone can make an image board and spam the link throughout every single alt chan to force people to post on the site. But not a lot of people can, you know, kind of just build a community out of scratch, you know? 80-20, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's more 80-20 for image boards now that I think about it, because the 1% of creators on a website, that's usually yeah, that doesn't exist. A lot of the things on image boards are reposts. But you know, that's a different topic. Like this. Actually, view poll below. There we go. Doing 4chan supporter cap code, access to an exclusive lounge, and more features later. That actually, if anything, I might tie. God, I hate gatekeeping it like that. But I might tie the tie ads into something like that, where like it would be like a percentage a month, or like a dollar amount a month to disable ads. Does that make sense? You know, like sites do that for sure. In fact, most sites do that. If you pay if you pay a price, then the ads will be disabled. But you know, that's something that I need to think about. No one would pay for that. Yeah, I know. But if I add certain features, maybe. Yeah, I know. Plus, people have ad block. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that makes sense to me. The cap code in the lounge is a pretty good starting point, and then I can always add more features later as ideas start popping in. What prices should I set on it? Like $1. This is for a poll, so $1, $3. I gotta go with the meme. $3.14 for. Oh gosh, my mom's calling me. Give me just a second. She was making sure that the house wasn't burnt down. Uh, um, so I did $1, $3, $4, or I guess I would do probably like one, two, three, or four, even though no one would vote for four. But I'll do that. Um, God, that's always the one thing. Whenever I work on things on the computer and it's just me in the house, they're always like double checking in on me. It's kind of weird. um, there we go. Go like that. Put that out there. There we go. And I I guess I might as well boost it with my own site, Twitter. There we go, just like that. Okay. God, I'm actually starting to get hungry and all that after she told me, she talked to me about that. The main idea was that I was gonna like work on a lot of things while the stream was up, but it's always the rough part. Cause I always do the same thing where everything just bounces around like 20 fucking times. Like shit. Let me finish up with at least converting the things from the server to my local machine so that I can actually resync the server. But probably having it opt out only would probably be better in general. Oh shit, Skyfu made something new. I mean, sorry, Skyfreedom. I consider myself a connoisseur of anime titty, so you know, it's always nice seeing them in my feeds. Oh shit, I was working on the JavaScript. That's right. JS. Go over here. Go to shit. What? It was common. Oh. I was about to type out into chat that I was almost done, but you know. Let me pull up that tool again and see what the difference is between the two of them. 2 votes already in. It's 50-50 between $1 and $3.14. Pain. Oh shit. I guess I can link the poll here if you happen to have a Twitter. That is actually painful. Which I know which way it's gonna go, like based on how people usually vote. But you know. Okay. I need common.js. Let me go to, do I have the page up still? Oh shit. Text compare. Server on the left. Local on the right. Edit texts. Remove excess white space. Compare. Looks like it's pretty much all the same. Oh. Okay. Oh, I think I literally just changed the page there. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. We go here. Go to mod.php. For some reason, on all of the what's it called, in the API URL, they do /mod.php, which I'm guessing is for boards within boards within boards or things like that, or like, I don't know what the issue is there, but It just needs to be just straight up mod.php. Nothing else really. That should be fine. There we go. Go back to the server. I need to save getting started.html and opt out. Why is there a thread in banners? Hang on. I actually need to get rid of the... Oh, fuck. I need to get rid of the board without, like, removing the directory. Shit. I'll figure it out later. That's fine. I completely forgot that I use /banners as the banner, like as the actual home for banners. I'll clean that up eventually. So a.php, I forgot what that one was. Oh, yeah. Ignore that. There we go, get rid of that. Donate.html. This is another thing that I have to try to fix. I have too many things that are actually linking from what? Hang on. I'm so confused. What if I... go like this? Not licensed, not readme. Config. Boy, that was quite the delay from Twitter. Let me try that. Get status. Wait, huh? Hang on. Let me undo this. I don't even have 8ch.html anymore, so I don't need that. Oh, it's the not. Index news rules. Donate.html. I want to ignore. And stats.php I want to ignore as well. Pretty soon I'll probably just end stream here. It's just, I just have so much like extra shit. Okay, well, looks like that's all good. Feels like I should be deleting some of, like it should be deleting some of the files. I forgot what the get good was. Ergo. Let me just make sure there aren't any. Oh, I need to ignore opt out. Okay. Opt out.html. Get status. I'm going to be resetting hard anyway. I need to save the git ignore, or copy the git ignore, git reset, and then, you know, doing it that way. But I want to make sure that everything is like set up properly before started. .html. The license is fine, and I think advertise.html. Why did I add all these pages? Advertise.html. 451 is local as well, so 451.html. I shouldn't save anything within banners. Just like in general, I shouldn't. But, you know, I want to get everything kind of perfect, like perfect for everyone else. Run another git status. Slash banners slash asterisk, yeah, asterisk dot asterisk get status. What? Okay, I'm gonna get reset hard. Everything should be perfectly right. Get reset hard. I'm gonna do the meme. There we go. There we go. Close. Reopen the git ignore. Reopen this. There we go. Get status. Okay, what else am I missing? Okay, so that's all up to date to where at least the server knows. Git fetch. Okay, I need to get rid of the model. I need the model. Shit. Save as home, like that. Close out of that. Delete this. I legitimately forgot what I changed recently. don't need that anymore. Bands. I've only really changed the date. There we go. Okay. I'm probably gonna cut and finish it here. Thank you everyone for joining me. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. I'll try to create a crop and like a trimmed version of this over the next few probably weeks, more so than days. I have so much to like do. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll try to do more firesides like this, even if it is something minor, like just literally just coding. What? Oh, that's literally me for some reason. I'm apparently now South Africa, even though my VPN's connected to the same city that I'm in. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. If you guys want to visit the website, post, that'd be very much appreciated. Site is 314chan.co. I have a whole lot of different boards. Boards can always use a lot more love. If you have any ideas, go to 314chan.co/314, type in your idea, and I will try to get to any ideas that pop up there. Yeah, I can't really say much else. Thank you so much. Sub to the YouTube. Try to upload more shit to it. Not sure exactly what I would upload here, except for these firesides and things like and the memes that I've already uploaded. But yeah, I mean, I'm definitely looking forward to doing more of these. I just hit 3 hours. This is gonna be really boring for someone who wants to watch these 3 hours, but you know. Thank you. See you guys next time. Adios.